Hi, everybody. It's time for us to begin our phonics lesson today. Remember, phonics is the study of words. So in phonics, we're going to learn about spelling patterns. Once we learn a pattern, it helps us read new words and it helps us to sound out or decode words. Yesterday, we thought a lot about words and we specifically listened for that first sound or the beginning sound, and we could identify it or name it. Today, we're going to do the same thing. However, instead of the beginning, we are going to identify the ending sound. So remember, identify, friends, is just a fancy way of saying name. So what we're really doing today is we are going to be able to name the ending sound. What do you think I mean when I say ending sound? Let's pause and see what you think. All right. So yes, the ending sound is the last sound you hear or the end of a word. So here we have our alphabet linking chart. Remember, there are 26 different letters in the alphabet, and it's very important for us to learn the sounds that the letters make. Yesterday, we watched a fun letter sound video, so I think we'll do that again because it was so fun. As we're doing the video, it's important that you're focusing on the letters and the letter sounds. Even if you feel you already know them, it's still important to be committed and focused to your education. So let's begin.
Do your best every day. Tell me what sound the letters make. Do your best every day. Tell me what sound the letters make. A, that's an A. I. Alligator, alligator. I. B, that's a B. Bumblebee, break it down, Mr. B. C, that's a C. Cat, come cat. D, that's a D. Dancing dinosaur. E, that's an E. Elephant. F, that's an F. Flapping flamingo. G, that's a G. Gorilla, gorilla, gorilla. H, that's an H. Hopping, hopping, hopping horse. I, that's an I. Ew, J, that's a J. Jumping, jumping, jellyfish. K, that's a K. Kick back, kangaroo. L, that's an L. Leaping lion, leap down low. M, that's an M. Moving, moose. N, that's an N. Numbers all around. O, that's an O. Octopus. C, that's a P. Patting, feet penguin. Q, that's a Q. Quacky quail, get down to R, that's an R. Oh, rockstar, roll. S, that's an S. Sliding squirrel. T, that's a T. Tapping turtle, tapping T. U, that's a U. Under the umbrella with you. V, that's a V. Vulture, get down to W, that's a W. Watch the letters get down. X, that's an X. X-ray, Y, that's a Y. Yoga too. Z, that's a Z. Zero, no more letters to go. Yeah. Do your best every day. Tell me what sound the letters make. Do your best every day. Tell me what sound the letters make. Tell me what sound the letters make. Tell me what sound the letters make. Tell me what sound the letters make.
So here we have a bat. When I think of the word bat, I want to say it slowly first. So I say bat. The first sound I hear is B. The next sound I hear is A. And the ending sound, or the last sound I hear, is t. So looking here, I have the beginning is the B. B says B. And then I hear A, which is the A. And then the ending is T. So I think what letter makes the sound T? That's the letter T. So the ending sound, if I need to identify it, is a T. Bat. Bat. Say it. Ready? Bat. Okay, good job, friend. Okay, I would like you to go ahead and take out your dry erase sleeves with your marker and your little eraser, because we're going to go ahead and practice some of these together, and you're going to get the chance to identify the ending sounds. So go ahead and get that out. I'll pause for just a minute. Okay. Here's our next one. This is a worm. I want you to listen for the ending sound in worm. On your dry erase sleeve, I would like you to write only the ending sound. You do not need to write the whole word. Listen again. Worm. Think about that last sound you hear and go ahead and write it on your sleeve. I'll pause. Yes, the ending sound you hear in worm is an M. Worm. Very good. You can go ahead and erase that. Here's our next one. Our next word is dog. Dog. I want you to think about what sound you hear at the end, or the last sound you hear. Listen. Dog. Dog. D-a-g. Okay, write the ending sound on your plastic sleeve. Hold it up when you're ready. I'll pause to see what you've got. Very good. The ending sound in dog is g. G says g. That G looks a little messy, so I will revise that or fix it up. So remember, a G is like you're going to do a C, then you go up, almost like you're going to do an A, but you keep going down and curve under. Dog. Good. You can go ahead and erase that. The next one is a pin, like a bobby pin. I hear p in. Write the ending sound on your dry erase sleeve. Let me pause to see what you wrote. All right, looks like you're getting the hang of it. You hear n, pin, p, in. N says n. So I saw a lot of you had N on your dry erase sleeve. Nice job. Let's go ahead and do truck driver. Ready? Honk, honk. 10-4, good buddy. Way to go, guys. Let's keep going. This next one is a lip. Lip. Go ahead and on your dry erase sleeve, write that ending sound down that you hear in lip. Let's pause. Excellent. The ending sound you hear in lip is p. P says p. Way to go, friends. Go ahead and erase. And the last one that we're going to do right now is this word, crib. I want you to think about what's the ending sound that you hear, or the last sound you hear in crib. Write it on your dry erase sleeve. Let's pause to see what you've got. Nice work, friends. You hear b, crib. So B says b. So we'd have written a B down. Nice work. Let's go ahead and do cheese grater. You're great. Good work. Okay, go ahead and erase that. So your independent work in Seesaw is going to look like this. There is going to be a picture here, okay? And then there's going to be a word here that's missing that ending sound. So it has the beginning sound and the middle sound, but it's missing that ending sound. So this here is a tap. So I have t, a. So what letter would we put in there? Say it. Let me see if I can read your lips. Which one? I can't see you guys. Tap. Very good. I see some of you saying P. So you would write a P at the ending of this sound, of this word tap. Good. Let's take a look here. This is sun. And I know that because it begins with S. So it's sun. I hear N. What letter would we put at the end of sun? Say it. Let me see if I can see your mouths moving. Good. N. And the last one is a tag. Let's pause the video and see who can answer that one. What letter would you put at the end of tag? Let's pause. All right. You are correct. The letter G, tag. Like bag, tag, wag, rag. Good. So you are going to go ahead into Seesaw. Okay. So I think you're getting the hang of this, friends. And you're going to go into your activities. That's your light bulb. Okay. Okay, and in here you're going to find what are the ending sounds. And let's listen to the directions or the instructions. Remember, if you don't know what to do, you can always click right here. Watch the learning video if you are not in the Zoom meeting today. Click on the green Add Response button. Then use your drawing tools to write the ending sound of each word. Remember to listen for the ending sound or the last sound you hear. Click on the green check when you are all done. Okay, so it says I should choose Add Response. I'm going to click the green box. And it's going to bring me into my activity here. And I'm going to use my pencil, or you could use your colors here if you wish. I guess you could use colored pencils too. So I think I'll just go use one of these pens actually. Okay, so with my pen, I'm going to use that to write the ending sound. So here I have a bag. So the beginning sound is B, the middle sound is A, ba, G, bag, G. I hear G at the end. Let me think. What letter says G? Oh, a G says G. So here I'm going to go ahead, try my best to write a G. Okay, and then I'll go to the next one. Bat. T, t. I hear T at the end. Bat. So then I would write my T, which is a T, right? So I'm going to do these here. And then if you look over here, there are 4 pages of these. So essentially there's 12 of these all together. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of go over some of these words. We have a can, cat, cap. This here is a dam. Beavers build dams. We have a fan, a gag. He has a gag around his mouth. And a cat. And then here we have a ham and a gap. He has a gap in his tooth. And hat. So go ahead and identify those ending sounds and then click this green check when you're done. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look back at our learning target here. So our job that we were working on today in our lesson says we were going to identify or name the ending sound of a word. So you can go ahead and practice that now. I am curious though, if you feel you've got this, like there's no problems, you totally get it, you're going to just fly through this and do with no problems. Show me thumbs up. Okay, anybody have a thumbs up? No problems? You got this. If you feel you kind of got it, but you might have a couple problems, just show me thumbs to the side. Okay, a couple of you think, okay, I might have some problems. And what about if you really are not sure at all, and maybe you don't know a lot of your sounds, you may need your linking chart that Miss Carlson put in your folders that were passed out last week. Those can help you, okay? So you might take a little bit longer, but I would like you to please persevere and try your best. So get started now, friends. Thank you.